There are a lot of reasons people start thinking about downsizing in their mid-50s and beyond. It's a big decision, and it often comes after years of living in the same home, raising a family, and building memories. But as life changes, so do our needs and priorities. Saving money is usually at the top of the list. Big homes come with big bills. Property taxes, heating, cooling, and regular maintenance can really add up over time. Even small repairs can become expensive, and many people want to reduce these costs as they approach retirement. Moving to a smaller place can help stretch retirement dollars further, making it easier to enjoy life without financial stress. Convenience is another major reason people consider downsizing. As people get older, it gets harder to keep up with cleaning, yard work, and repairs. A smaller home or condo often means less to worry about, freeing up energy for things that matter more. For some, the idea of lock-and-leave living is appealing, especially if they want to travel or spend winters somewhere warm. Not having to worry about a big house while away brings peace of mind. Lifestyle changes matter too. Children grow up and move out, leaving empty rooms behind. Suddenly, all that extra space can feel unnecessary or even lonely. Priorities shift. Many adults at this stage want more time for hobbies, family, or relaxation. Downsizing can help create a home that fits their new lifestyle and interests. Downsizing can free up time that used to go into household chores. With less space to manage, there's more opportunity to enjoy life, connect with loved ones, and focus on well-being. Sometimes health plays a role too. Stairs can become a challenge, and single-story living can be safer and more comfortable. Proximity to medical care, shopping, or friends can also influence the decision, making daily life easier and more enjoyable. All these factors combine to make downsizing worth considering. For many, it's not just about a smaller space, it's about creating a life that's simpler, more manageable, and more fulfilling in the years ahead. One of the biggest perks of moving to a smaller home is less upkeep. With fewer rooms and less space to manage, daily chores become much more manageable and less time-consuming. Fewer rooms mean less cleaning, and a smaller home often means you can tidy up in a fraction of the time. Smaller yards, or no yard at all, cut down on outdoor chores like mowing, raking leaves, and shoveling snow, freeing up your weekends. Many people find they have more energy for things they actually enjoy, like hobbies, spending time with friends, or simply relaxing. Downsizing can also save a lot of money, which can be a huge relief for many. Lower mortgage or rent payments are possible, along with reduced utility bills and property taxes. Even maintenance costs tend to drop, since smaller homes are often more efficient and require fewer repairs. Every dollar saved is another dollar for travel, hobbies, or helping family. The financial breathing room can feel like a huge relief, allowing you to focus on experiences rather than expenses. Decluttering is another benefit. Moving forces you to sort through your belongings and keep only what matters most. It's a chance to rediscover forgotten treasures and let go of things that no longer serve you. Many find this process freeing, even if it's hard at first. Letting go of unnecessary items can make life feel lighter and more focused, and donating to others can be deeply rewarding. Finally, a fresh start can boost your mood and outlook. New neighbors, a new neighborhood, and new routines can be energizing, helping you feel more connected and engaged with your community. For some, it's the spark for a whole new chapter in life, a chance to create new memories, embrace change, and truly enjoy the freedom that comes with living simply. Of course, downsizing isn't all sunshine. The emotional side can be tough. Letting go of a long-time family home stirs up memories and feelings. Many people struggle to part with possessions tied to loved ones or special moments. Moving is also physically and mentally taxing. Packing up decades worth of stuff, organizing movers, and dealing with paperwork can be overwhelming. The process is often more stressful than people expect, especially if health issues are a factor. Adjusting to a new area brings its own set of hurdles. New neighbors, different stores, and unfamiliar streets can make people feel out of place. Some miss their old routines or find it hard to build fresh connections. Finally, there's always the fear of regret. What if the new place doesn't feel like home? What if it's too small, or too noisy, or just not right? These worries are common and can make the decision even harder. Before making any move, it's important to look at your finances with clear eyes. Start by adding up the costs of staying in your current home. mortgage, property tax, insurance, utilities, and maintenance. Compare that to the estimated costs of a smaller home or apartment. Don't forget to include moving expenses, realtor fees, and possible renovations in your budget. It's easy to overlook these one-time costs, but they add up quickly. Sometimes the savings from downsizing are smaller than expected once these expenses are factored in. Think about your long-term needs. Will the new home still work well if your health changes? Consider proximity to public transportation, hospitals, and amenities. Also, check if there are any hidden fees in condos or retirement communities, like HOA dues. Finally, talk to a financial advisor if you're unsure. Downsizing can be a smart financial move, but only if you do your homework. A clear plan can help you avoid surprises and feel more confident. Money isn't the only thing to think about when considering a move or downsizing later in life. The emotional side of this decision is just as important, and sometimes even more challenging to navigate. Your heart and mind matter just as much as your finances. The feelings tied to your home can run deep, and it's natural to feel a mix of emotions. Ask yourself what you'll miss most about your current home. Is it the familiar rooms, the view from your window, or the laughter that once filled the halls? Is it the space, the neighborhood, or the memories made there over the years that tug at your heart? Sometimes it's the little things, a favorite tree in the yard, or the sound of neighbors' voices, that are hardest to leave behind. These feelings are real and shouldn't be ignored. It's okay to grieve the changes even if you're looking forward to new beginnings. Talk openly with your family about your plans and your feelings. Sharing your thoughts can help everyone understand what you're going through. Children, even grown ones, may have strong feelings about selling the family home. They might feel a sense of loss too, or worry about your well-being. Their support can make the transition easier, or sometimes more complicated if emotions run high. Remember, everyone processes change differently. Share your reasons and listen to their concerns. Consider your social life and how your move might affect your daily connections. Are you moving far from friends or activities you love? Will you be able to keep up with your favorite hobbies or routines? Will it be easy to meet new people in your next place, or will you need to make an extra effort to build new relationships? Loneliness is a risk for many older adults, so plan ahead for ways to stay connected. Reach out to friends, join clubs, or explore community events to keep your social circle strong. Give yourself time to process your emotions. It's normal to feel a sense of loss, but also hope for what's ahead. Downsizing is a big step, and it's normal to feel sad, excited, nervous, or all three at once. Allow yourself to experience these emotions without judgment. Trust that, with patience and support, most people adjust and even thrive in their new homes. New memories and friendships are waiting to be made. Getting ready to move takes planning and patience. Start by sorting your belongings room by room. Decide what to keep, donate, sell, or give to family. This can be emotional, but it's also a chance to rediscover forgotten treasures. Hire professionals if you need help. Downsizing specialists, movers, and organizers can take a lot of stress off your plate. They know how to handle the tough parts, like moving heavy furniture or navigating paperwork. Label boxes clearly, and make a list of what's inside. This will make unpacking in your new place much smoother. Pack a first night box with essentials, clothes, toiletries, medications, so you're not scrambling the first night in your new home. Finally, say goodbye to your old place in your own way. Take photos, have a farewell meal, or write a letter to the next owners. Marking this moment can help you move forward with a lighter heart. Arriving in a new home is both exciting and strange. It can take time to feel comfortable. Start by arranging your favorite pieces of furniture and hanging up familiar photos. Surrounding yourself with cherished items makes the space your own. Explore your new neighborhood, take walks, introduce yourself to neighbors, and try out local shops or cafes. Building new routines helps you feel at home faster. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Most people are happy to welcome newcomers. Make an effort to stay connected to old friends too. Phone calls, emails, or regular visits can keep those bonds strong. At the same time, stay open to making new friends and joining local groups or clubs. Give yourself grace if you feel homesick or unsure. Most people need a few months to settle in. With time, your smaller space can start to feel just right. Downsizing after 55 is a big decision, and it's natural to feel a mix of excitement and worry. Like Carol, many people find the process challenging but ultimately rewarding. The key is to weigh the pros and cons, plan carefully, and trust your instincts. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. For some, downsizing opens doors to freedom, savings, and new adventures. For others, staying put is the right call. Both choices are valid. If you do decide to make the move, know that you can handle the changes ahead. You've faced big life changes before, and you'll get through this one too. Embrace the opportunity for a fresh start and the chance to shape the next chapter of your life. So, whether you're just starting to think about downsizing or you're already packing boxes, take heart. With the right mindset and support, this can be the beginning of something wonderful.